Welcome to English period. So today we are going to learn about simple present tense and present continuous tense. In previous lesson we have already talked about what is verb. Anyone remember what is verb? Verb is a action word. So we had learned more about tenses. Anyone will say what is the definition of tense? Tense indicates when an action or event take place. Tenses are of how many types? Tenses are of three types. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Anyone is going to remember? Anyone remember what is simple present tense? So, anyone is going to say me more about simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to show an action which takes place regularly. Any example of simple present tense? There are three examples of simple present tense. They run fast. We sit on a bench. A cow eats fresh grass. So today we are going to learn more about present continuous tense. Anyone will see, remember what is present continuous tense? Definition. So present continuous tense is used to show an action which is taking place at the present time of speaking. And more about present continuous tense, it tells that the action is happening now and is continuing at the present time. For example, I am playing cricket. You are swimming in the lake. My mother is baking a cake. Grandfather is taking the dog to the park. They are making posters. We are playing the piano. So, we are going to learn more about present continuous tense. In the sentences given above, the verbs am, playing, are swimming, is baking, is taking, are making, are playing. You can see the words which are in red. They shows that the action is still happening. They shows a continuous action and are called present continuous progressive tense. Present continuous tense are of three parts: sentences, negative sentences, questions. So present continuous tense, you can see subject. Subject are of three parts: first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. First person, who speaks. Singular is I, plural is we. Second person, to whom we are speaking. You for singular is for only one person. Plural you, it is for more than one person. Third person, to whom we are talking about. It is he, she, it, or the name of a person. Plural, it is they. Present continuous formulas: subject plus to be plus verb, ing plus object. What is subject? I. To be means it is a helping verbs. We have already learned in verb lesson that we have learned verb and plus the helping verbs. So to be is a helping verb plus verb base form ing, showing it is showing that it is continuously going on, plus object. So first subject it is I am. Go is the base of verb and ing means going to school. I am going to school. You are going to school. We are going to school. They are going to school. This you, we, they, it comes in a plural form. So in front of the you are going to add helping verb are going to school. We are going to school. They are going to school. He, she, Rita, they are in singular form of subject. So you are going to use the helping verb is. He is going to school. She is going to school. Rita is going to school. So we are going to talk more about the present continuous tense, that is the negative sentences. Subject, to be, helping verbs, not plus verb ing plus object. So we are going to add over here in between the to be, that is helping verbs, and plus the verb in between we are going to use the word not to make the sentence negative, present continuous negative sentences. So I am not playing football. You can see the ing in the purple color. It is showing that the I am not playing football. You, we, they are not playing football. He, she, it, Rita is. When you, we, they come, it is in a plural form. You are going to use the word helping verb as are not playing football. He, she, it, Rita is in singular word. So you're going to use in front of it is not playing football. So for example, I am not playing football, you are not playing football, we are not playing football, they are not playing football. So the next it is he is not playing football, she is not playing football, Rita is not playing football. So next question of that is the third one, present continuous questions. Over here you have seen subject comes first, then to be come first. So in the predictive one you had seen the subject comes first, to be comes the second, then verb, then ing plus object. But in the questions you can see where it is the to be is the first one. Then subject comes, then plus verb ing plus object. Am is to be, that is a helping verb am, subject is I, verb is play, ing playing football, are is a helping verb, you, we, they playing football, is again the helping verb, he, she, it, Rita playing football. So there are some examples of questions to make a sentence about the present continuous tense. Am I playing football? With the question mark, we are asking questions, so it is am I playing football, with the at the end you are going to put the question mark. Are you playing football? Are we playing football? Are they playing football? Is he playing football? Is she playing football? Is Rita playing football? So you are going to complete your homework, that is a exercise of present simple present tense and present continuous tense in your English grammar textbook. Complete it with good handwriting and neatly. Thank you.